pair programming, what is it? Don't get scared by programming. You don't need to even know how to use a keyboard, all right? So, pair programming is a technique of pairing team members to work simultaneously on the same work item, whether it's a program or y'all are building a cake or whatever it is, you're working together, all right? Now, why would we do it? Now, the dude that like popularized this is this guy in this cool hat. His name is Kent Beck. He's a cool dude, man. He's the guy that invented extreme programming, which got other videos on that stuff. And he says, quote, or at least the quote says he says it, write all production programs with at least 2 people sitting at one machine. So if this guy's super smart and he gets things done and teams, why would he say that? Well, this is what it kind of looks like. 2 dudes working together. There's like a driver and a helper, whatever. We'll say what the actual terms are, but they're working together to get things done. Like, is a driver and a navigator. 2 brains better than one in a sense. And what are some of the benefits? Like there's, what do we say? Let's draw a little picture here. All right, let's see what we got here. There's knowledge sharing. There's little tests as we go through. If we do this, then what's next? Like, what about that? Where are we going? There's a driver, the person on the keyboard, ding, 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 ding. Then there's a navigator kind of like directing the path, right? So they're working through as we go here, all right? So the benefits are they're sharing knowledge. They're like making it a little bit more robust. They're allowing time for reflection. Like, what would this do? How would this work? What's the right decision? How do we go through here? How are we navigating this forest, right? They're leading to some focus. Like, what do we need to, keep going on there? Think about the driver and the navigator model there, all right? Now, there's collective code ownership or collective ownership of the product that we're developing, of the build. So it's not like this is one person's versus the other person where it's just a QA tester later. No, we're collectively in the pie, fixing it together. Also, could be 2 modes of thinking, like 2 different people. Like I look at things one way, you look at things another way. We're working together. 2 things make it better. It's like a more robust, resilient way of thinking, right? And you get code review on the go. So what does that mean? It's like you're continuously testing as you move in there. Again, robustness, like a full-bodied approach to this. I love it. And keeping the whip low, right? So we're going to work on the task together, not start all these things and then kind of like have them floating out there. No, let's get them moving down the road and get things done. So at the end, we do all these things. What do these little arrows show? Hey, man, better quality, less errors. Like the thing is evolving and then we're flowing together, right? And we're working together. Now, some of the things you got to watch out for in this, just like editorial time, is like, what if one guy's all jacked up on coffee, right? Take some breaks, all right? Take some breaks. Have some brain time. And then don't just have one person be the driver and one person be the navigator. Flippy dip it. Like, take some different chances. Say, we're going to go every hour, every 30 minutes, every whatever, as we break down there. So that's what it is. If you think about it, this just makes it a better little partnership as we get through. So pair programming, pretty sweet. Try to use it in anything you do. It'll make you better.